Hey guys, okay, so this is my E39. It's a 2001 540i Sport, because the M Sport came out in 2003. I've been corrected multiple times. So yeah, you can see it has the M Sport, or the Sport wheels, sorry, on it, and the badging and on the steering wheel and stuff. And it has limited slip differential. I'm not sure if that comes on the Sport or if the guy before me had it. If you look, that hood and the driver's side fender are off a parts car, which I'll show you out there in a minute. So it was bashed in that corner right there, and the headlights were awful. So I have a video of me restoring the headlights, but I'm sure you guys have already seen those. The dude before me, let's get on to him. So he was tacky man, to say the least, and he smoked a lot in his car, and it smelled awful. But that's all the tan interior from the car that me and my dad stripped in about 4 hours. I mean, headliner, all the carpet, all the door panels, the rear package shelf, I mean everything. Even the sunroof, took it out completely because it was broken. We'll go on to walking around the car. It's covered in pollen. Sorry, I live in Knoxville, Tennessee, and it's getting that time where the pollen is absolutely insane. It's only been outside. It's only outside for about a day and a half, and I mean you can already see it's like awful. I took the BMW badge off because it was all messed up, and I have a replacement coming, so I'll put that on. The guy before me, he took the cats and the resonators off, which is not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to leave those and take the muffler off. And I think, sorry you won't be able to see, he has a Flowmaster, I think 40 series. It's all rusted, so when I rev it, you'll hear the rattle. So here's the parts car, and you can see we had to take the wheel off to get the fender. On the other side, let me see, it's pretty dark. Okay, so there's an exhaust. We'll put that on soon. We took, this is where it was damaged originally on mine, and then we had the fender off, and we'll just use that for miscellaneous parts and then sell all the parts out. So if you're interested, let me know if you need some parts. We found a full interior, about $300, and we took about 4 hours and stripped all it out. See, like, not new, but I mean you can see like the little wear there. That's the worst part in the car. But yeah. We got all the lights working, all the electronics working. I have a shift boot and a new knob, like the weighted one, the one everyone goes crazy over, coming. And I bought some floor mats off Amazon. Oh my bad. Yeah, just some normal floor mats. And then I went ahead and got the replacement cup holders, because you know everyone knows the cup holders are absolute garbage. So I'll go ahead and start it. It has an issue where it's not idling right. It's a code, because as soon as you get moving, it's fine. I've looked into it, but I'll definitely get that remediated. So, also that's messed up, so I pulled that, and we have a new one on the way. So hopefully it'll idle right. Yeah, fasten eat belts. Okay, so it seems to be idling just fine now. I'll turn the lights on so you guys can see better. See, those are the floor mats. This is 6-speed, which I'm glad for. It's good to learn. Not many kids my age at 16, you know, drive stick, and if they do, it's it's just pretty boring, like a Jeep or something. But I'll rev it just so you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like, and then I'll get out and go to the exhaust, which is cool. Yeah, so. Yeah, everything else is fine. I mean, we got all the new wood trim. Everything works. We have the little plastic bits and stuff for that. Lights. The back seats, I went over them in the leather renewer stuff. I mean, they turned out nice. And we recovered our own head binder, which took a little while. And then we did this in black, and the sunroof, this in black. I think it looks nice because that's black, and then the rear speaker covers and things are black, and it matches the interior. I just think it looks nice. This console's alright, and the ashtray is a little sticky, which will never be used because that smell just drives me insane. Center console works, everything works. But yeah, I'll get out and go to the exhaust. So I needed a car that could fit in. I'm 6'5". There's not a lot of really cool cars you can get no 6'5" person fit in, so you guys get an idea of how it sounds. It's not great. I think that exhaust will sound better. Then I'll remove the mufflers. Just a couple hits, you don't have to go crazy. We spent about the last week working on it and stuff. carpet out, and you can't see it. I cleaned all the carpet inside and put it back in. It smells nice, and it was so bad I bought an ozone generator. So if your car smells terrible, ozone generator is the way to go. I mean, I tried car bombs, I tried everything. That's the only thing that seemed to really work. Then after I completely replaced the interior, I put another one in. We car bombed it again. It smells fine. I'll show you the interior. Actually, this door's a little sticky. Yeah, it's not gonna work. That's embarrassing. But this side works. We just replaced the window regulator. Here, will you shine the light in the trunk? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a lot better than it was. The guy before us ran cables to the car for the amp, and it's just not very well done. I mean, I'm really impressed at how this turned out. Fold this up. It's a little wrinkly, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, and the rear package shelf looks like that. All together, I mean, it's probably 2 weeks of work. But yeah, I'll go back to the front. This is my 2001 BMW 540i, and there will be many more videos to come. But thank you guys.